Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to show you how to preserve your aloe vera gel for about a year. As you know, during the winter, aloe vera plants does not, usually flourish. And I have killed about 3 aloe vera plants, not intentionally though, but the weather just doesn't favor it. So I have found another method for preserving my aloe vera leaf. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Now I'll cut a leaf off my plant. I'll wash it very well and make sure there is no yellow substance. Afterwards, I will cut it into desirable pieces. I'll get a freezer plastic bag and I'll put my leaves into them. I'll seal it very well. Then I'll put it into the freezer. So it's been after about a month and these are my leaves. As you can see, it is frozen hard. I will just allow it to thaw. After it's thawed, this is what we have here. As you can see, our aloe vera is fresh and still juicy. You can go ahead and use it for whatever you want. You can get the juice out, or you can cut it into smaller pieces for your oil and all that. As you can see, it's still slimy, it spreads easily, and it works perfect. We have really preserved this aloe vera leaf. So this was a short one and I hope it did help you. This is how I preserve and keep my aloe vera gel for months and for even years. Do give this a try and let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.